This next group of videos is going to focus on process flow. These are all real scenarios that we provided for our clients, and each of them is designed to help our clients provide faster turnaround time and a better overall experience for their customers. In addition, each process involves multiple people, and that's the key. We've all heard the saying, if you want to do something right, do it yourself. Well, in business, you can't always do everything yourself. You need help from the team. And whenever you need help from the team, bottlenecks can occur. Somebody takes a day off. Somebody misinterprets a request. Some requests are sent over email, some are sent over the phone. The list of excuses is endless. But if we can automate and streamline those processes, we can reduce the turnaround time and improve your customer's overall experience. Here's an example. One of our clients has a call to action in their marketing process where they'll send samples of their product to their customers and prospects. Here's an example of one that we sent to South End Elementary School. They're in the education market, and we sent them a few product items. Here's the item codes, and here's the description of those items. These are all standard products, and we have a new welcome kit that we just put together, so we put that under additional items. The salesperson makes the request, and somebody from the mailroom fulfills that request and sends it out to the customer. Now, everybody does this differently. Some companies will require you to go into the accounting system and create a $0 invoice so we can pull these items out of inventory. This particular client has a bunch of inventory that they've already expensed out and it's already in the mailroom, so they don't need to involve the accounting system or the accounting department. So from the account screen, the salesperson will create a custom activity that we set up called fulfillment. And they could type in the description and the items if they memorized it all, but we found an easier way. We have different sets of samples for each of the markets we serve. So we'll say ABC Company is a corporate client. Here's all the sample products we have available for corporate clients. All the salesperson needs to do is select one or more of these items, and the system fills in the item code and the description of each item. The salesperson can then go in here and tweak this if they want, add additional information, or use this box for things that aren't necessarily on the list. Once they're done, they submit that fulfillment request, and everything disappears because the fulfillment department doesn't need to see all the checkboxes. They just want to know what you need to send. So sales will save and close this. When the operations person logs into their CRM, they'll land on a dashboard that lists all the fulfillment requests that have been submitted. They'll simply open that request, find all the items from the shelf, put them in a box, and send them off. And when they're done, they'll mark this task as complete. Now, where do all the checkboxes come from? That's all defined over here in our lookup section. All the fulfillment items that are available in the mailroom are listed here. If I go into one of those items, that's the item code. Here's the item description. This is the category that it would go in. So this is showing kits, which means the item will show up under the kits section here on the fulfillment request. And it's only available to the healthcare market. Here's an example of an item that is available to multiple markets. It's that easy. And it's all available within a single system that every member of the company uses, their CRM. If you need our help automating your business process, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.